Hello everyone, today I'm going to do a technical analysis on Ethereum's price, showing you some scenarios that actually somebody could expect in future. Let's start by illustrating the chart in 4 hours time frame. As you can recognize, here you can see some levels that Ethereum's price touched, and not only here but also at these levels too. So you can recognize and you can understand that you can draw here a flank pattern which is based on these touches, and this flag pattern is drawn about 1 month ago from 5 March. Today is 29 April, almost 1 month. Okay, so right now we are in much considerable price here due to the reason that we can expect that from the Ethereum's price that it can be touched here at this level. It's much key important level due to the reason that I have already drawn a horizontal line which can actually work as a support and resistance level too. It depends on what Ethereum's price will gonna do. For example, here you are, as you can see, the Ethereum's price touch this level and go back again. So right now you can understand that at this particular time of period, this horizontal line is a resistance level due to the reason that Ethereum's price could not break this level. So for now, you can keep in your mind that this is a resistance level, but Ethereum's price can have some boost from some news or whatever it can be, and can go again back and break this level. For example, if you can see here, we have a horizontal ray and can be touched at this level and go back, some here, and there are many potentials to come back and test this level. Okay, but what we can see in a 1 hour time frame, which is much important issue for this price. So let's change the the time frame and understand that if we can zoom out this price, you can figure out that there is a downtrend of a flag pattern. Okay, let me show you with the lines due to the reason that it's much easier to understand it. So I believe that you absolutely understand due to the reason that it's clearly that the Ethereum price have already touched at these levels in about 1 week. Okay, so it's much considerable right now for price, because we have two possibility scenarios. In a 1 hour time frame, it has done something like that, and it can go back at this level, which is drawn as the previous level here due to the reason some of previous touches, and I have an understanding that it's much important level. Okay, it can do something like that, but don't forget to show some tolerance, as I have already told in some videos before, that the flag pattern can be continued drawn at this level, because we have about 1, 2, 3. It can be touched at 4 times also. Yeah, of course, there is no problem here. But keep in your mind that all of these levels, due to the reason that if something like that, if something of them can break down or break out, you have to think again and to take into consideration all of these elements and all of the risks that you could have in the economy. Okay, so for this particular time of period, I suggest you to wait for the Ethereum price due to the reason that Ethereum can come back at this level, so you cannot take advantage of 14%. It's much important percentage if you are going to do a technical and fundamental analysis too. But Ethereum price can go again back and break this level. In case that this level can be break here and in the last, for example, 2 or 3 days, just keep in your mind that if you would like to open a position, you have to put your stop loss in this area too. So there are plenty of traders and investors that can figure out that there is no more potential for this, because some of the prices can be touched again. But I'm suggest you, in case that this price could break out, just put your stop loss at this level. Wait for a minute, I will show you with horizontal line at this level, here you are, okay, because as you can understand, this level is much important for price. Okay, nice, perfect. This much important level, due to the reason that it has already touched here, it's lower low, lower high, higher lows, okay. And it's much important to understand that you have some possibility scenarios in case that it can break out. Somebody could wait for this level to test back again. Okay, it's a good option too, but just keep in your mind and pay attention that when you open a position, never forget to stop your stop losses at the prices that you believe the Ethereum's price can stop. And right now I advise you, in case this breakout of Ethereum's price, just put your stop loss here and waiting, due to the reason that there is much possibility for go much higher for Ethereum's price, due to the reason, if we are consider all of the knowledge that we have in flag patterns, we can understand and take the percentage of almost, in case that is 75%, okay, due to the reason that this is the structure of flag pattern. We can take advantage of much percentage. As you can understand, I can go higher. Right now I'm 50%. Yeah, it's absolutely a good scenario for Ethereum's price. It's something unique in the last years for this crypto. But just wait and do what Ethereum's price can do at these days. Okay, be patient, and as you can more as more you can illustrate and be in stock market to understand and to see some horizontals, flag patterns, W patterns, and whatever else can be on technical analysis, it's much helpful for you, due to the reason that it can be much easier for a trader or for an investor to understand a chart. Thank you very much. Goodbye.